But stress out. Some of them gal I need for stop. You don't know it's your girl D. Hi guys, it's your girl D and I am in my kitchen tonight. Okay, so for this video I'm gonna be doing a, honestly I ran out on the road today, so I gotta like clean this when I'm finished. But what I'm gonna do though, guys, I'm gonna be doing a mukbang. Me and my kids are gonna be doing a mukbang. But what I'm gonna do though is I'm gonna do an egg mukbang with egg done two different type of ways. I'm gonna do one part where I'm gonna have the egg, where I'm gonna do the egg with my battery. I'm gonna do the egg. Okay, so the first thing that I'm gonna do for this mukbang is boil the eggs. So I'm gonna be showing you guys how exactly I'm gonna get both my meals. So I'm gonna be doing we call it boiled eggs. Pot keeps making noise. So I'm gonna be doing boiled eggs for one of the dishes. So we're gonna have boiled eggs, salt and black pepper, and then so I have the pots filled with water, lighter, light the stove, put on the pots, and then we have a bag of eggs. So this is all eggs. I'm gonna show you guys the eggs just now. I'm gonna pull it. I'm doing an egg mukbang, but I want to do like egg salad with mayonnaise. And then I'm gonna do some just boiled, or should I just do boiled eggs alone with butter and stuff? Alright guys, so this is basically the eggs in the bag. These are the eggs in the bag, okay, the camera can't. The eggs in the bag, and that's the pot of water. So let's go in with the eggs. So Ari, how many eggs I think we for do? 2 eggs. So that's 2 eggs for Ariana. Aisha, how many eggs you want? Eh? You want 2 eggs too? Alright, so Aisha wants 2 eggs. So far that's 4 eggs in the pot. And I think I want 3 eggs. Reason being, guys, because we're doing a mukbang and I don't love eggs. So there you go. It's 3, 2, and 2. For Ari, for me, and for Aisha. So I'm gonna go and I'm gonna cover the pot because we all know that when water boils too much, it tends to spill over. So we're gonna half cover the pot. Alright, so we're gonna leave this alone, but we're gonna place the rest of the eggs in the fridge because we know what's the eggs spoil and we don't want them spoiled. So I'm gonna do that right now. Guys, so I'm about to go put all the eggs in the fridge because we're not using any more than, how many eggs are in the pot, by the way? Oh my god, I just broke this one, so I'm gonna have to use it too. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I just cracked this egg. So I'm gonna put it in the pot so it doesn't just stay, and the water is so hot already. Oh my god, it's just 4 eggs leave. That means how much eggs I did? Oh, 1, 2, 3, and let's put number 4 right here. So guys, as I said before, I hardly use eggs. Oh no, there is more egg in the bag. There's more egg in the bag. There's more egg in the bag. Yeah, guys. So, what you doing in my bag, baby? Don't do it. Say hi. 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 Say hi. Hi. Alright, guys. So me and my kids, as I said before, we're going to be doing this video together. Oh, also, if the comments are turned off in this video, it's because whenever you use kids in your video or whatever, YouTube tends to turn off the comments. I don't know why, and I'm so tired of turning it back on because they turn it off. And like, who am I to argue with YouTube? Ha, ha, ha. So I cannot do that. So guys, now we're going to wait on the eggs to boil. When they boil, we are going to pick them and all of that. So as you can see, me just come off of the road. The babies them are dirt. The baby them just come off of the road. So all of we dirty. Yeah. I'm not pretty it up. The whole I dirty. So me, I go bathe off my skin. Oh, I think I'm gonna boil little rice too. But not for this. I'm just gonna boil some rice for myself to eat and stuff. So we're gonna bathe off, change our clothes, and then continue with the video. When the egg them done boil out, when I pick them, I'm gonna see what's going on. I love you guys. Remember, watch till end, like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Share the link so other people can watch, share, like, and comment too. Me love Uno the most. Bam. Yeah guys, so the egg done boil and everything. Okay, the lighting here gonna stress my head out. So alright, so the egg done boil and everything. Now me I go pick them. Ooh, I'm gonna pick them and cut them and put them down how I wanna. Yes. Why the phone look like it a drop so? I'm gonna stay with the phone, yeah. Battery up on empty too, so as I say, me I pick the egg them now, cut them and put salt on them. Oh guys, as I said before, ow, ouch. I hate this part, it's always hot. Pick the egg them when them just done boil hot. Ah, will I peel off? But anyways, as I was saying guys, my internet is down, so I have to be watching DVD. Guess what me I rewatch? Game of Thrones. Just put it in. Just put it in, just start watch it back. Game of Thrones. Get in the kitchen, Baba. Yeah. So yeah. Me just start watch Game of Thrones. Back. I had already watched all of it, but I'm watching it over. Aisha, what are you doing in the kitchen? What? What are you doing in the kitchen? No. Come out of the kitchen. You know I'm going to join them police today. Baby not to come in the kitchen. Babies are to be out of the kitchen. Get out of the kitchen. Why the hell the egg them are break up? Aisha, get out of the kitchen. Thank you very much. Stay out of here. Yeah guys, so basically I rip off the egg. Oh, and the reason why I started doing content like this is because people asked for it. They were like, oh, do more content when you're just home, doing normal stuff, you and the girls, you know. So we can see because them say, you're like a series movie. You're like a series movie. Come like me can't do without the episode. So may I try to fulfill some of my subscribers them wish. For the one that want to really understand why I started doing simple videos like these, you know, like a lifetime video, you know, just understand that you are not the only person on my on the channel, and other people want to see me on a daily basis, what I look like when I'm home, how I prepare stuff. Oh my god, if you ever see how the egg them a chip off, you know ball blood and wonder warm to me. No, serious. The whole of the outer part of the egg them, look, the whole of the outer part of the egg them, gonna just the middle them left. Me don't know what I'm going on, yeah. Then this real, I first me see them a slackness here. Watch, I'm gonna try to pick it off so it not come off good. No man, I don't like them egg carry on tonight. I really are going. That means I get my egg them normally pick nice and pretty and sitting, you know. Aisha, me say come out of the kitchen. What if someone had turned over? You have a burn up. Do master. Go take off her slipper. Go take off the sister slippers there, man. If you see I need to fight, you not go fight. And I can't take the knives on my head right now. So just go take them off. Please and thanks. I've gotten so attached to my Netflix, I can't deal with the DVD at all. Lord God, I shame on myself. The one time when I decide say pick egg on camera, but the one time when the egg them look like SHIT. You know I'm just a rip off, I can't do this. Me tired. Me tired. Serious, this a shame. Oh no, look there. The whole of the middle of the egg. I just the middle of the egg that come out whole. It's not real. So little girl go for cheer. Come cock up a laugh. Eh? Yes, egg. Look here, you know like when I have wet name. You know like when I have coconut and the whole of the coconut. And the whole of the coconut, you know, and you take a spoon and just scrape it out so. That's how me feel with that egg. Aisha, take your Jesus Christ. Aisha, me say for come out here, you know. Aisha, me tell you to come out every minute. You say, and you go back for cheer. You go for cheer this trip. And you say, Aisha, come out of the kitchen, you know. Because you say, pay, and you not come out. You got your cousin's birthday party tomorrow, baby. What I carry for you?
Yes, mommy.
Yeah, man.
No, yes, mommy. Mommy.
You guys, may I pick out the egg, yeah? Or should I say, the egg has stressed me. You know what? I can't bother. I just anyway pick. Alright now. Watch out. No people look at this. The thing roll right. The thing roll right out. Alright, look at this now. Something really wrong with them egg, yeah. I don't think I'm here the problem. Kuya. Something really wrong with them egg. Alright, so normally as I pick the egg, I normally go chew this in the garbage outside. But you see, because when they on this, I don't want to draw out the video too long. And so, Jesus Christ of mercy. Come out. I tell you to come out. But the backside they come in here, picking in here, turn on the gas, and I never see what going. And then if you be dead now, you don't hear say me. Stop your eyes before I come give you something for cry, boy. I'm telling you some of that boil little rice because yeah, I'm hungry. So I boil little rice. The rice I boil. So right now I cut up the egg them. So I'm cutting the eggs, guys. Honestly, I don't know how to hold the phone, yeah. So I can't see good. So yeah, I cut the egg them. But a boy or a girl can't say my egg them not boil good. Who vex? So the egg fault when it a buck up little while, it wasn't me. It wasn't my fault, or the egg them fault. The egg them never come down good. So a boy or a girl can't blame me. Because girl know how to boil egg. And I sprinkle the salt there. And then I sprinkle this black pepper. Mix it up. Black pepper, they are not the black pepper do away. You know what? Sprinkle it. And it tastes like the very nice black pepper. So there you go, guys. That's it. So now I'm gonna go to my kids and we're gonna eat this all off. Yay! So yeah, guys. So now we're about to eat the eggs. We're gonna eat the eggs. Them. People. Cover your mouth, miss. Now give me corona. Yes, cover your mouth. Take out one more.
No.
Cover your mouth. Cover your mouth. Take out no one.
Take
out.
Two.
One at a time. Why you have full 2 hands one time? Never this, you know.
Hey, bye.
Okay.
What?
What you say, Harry?
Aisha.
You say egg taste bad.
Mommy, what Aisha say?
Egg taste bad, Aisha? So you eat him. You say egg taste bad. I cannot. Egg, yeah.
Egg tastes good.
Egg, yeah. Tap through in the back.
Good, Mama. So that is the taste good, Aisha? So that the egg that tastes good in
I'm not taste it. I love you yellow part.
Esto. Bite it.
You bite it.
Bite it.
You bite it. You know I'm faster than that. You know it faster than that. Aisha, where you go?
Ita. Esto.
What?
Esto.
Right, your son? Aisha, stop biting up all the egg them and put them back, my girl.
Shago baby. Shago baby, Aisha.
Alright, stop asking about baby. Do you say mama baby? You see you little girl, Mr. Top bite them up.
Them cool. Cool.
It is sitting. Aisha, Tappy. Eating. I don't take up no more.
More.
Not take up no more if you're not eating, my girl.
Aye.
Hold them, Riri. Hold them, hold them. Open your mouth. Ah. My girl, take your thinking to them. Yeah. No, tap that palm bed, my girl.
Mommy, who bite the egg?
Aisha, bite the egg and put it back.
Alright. Aisha, stop bite the egg them and put them back. Come, me will eat them for you. Me will eat them for you.
When I realized I should take over the video for yourself. Look, Aisha is eating out the middle of the egg alone and putting it back. No, 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 no. Eat them, yeah. Where I put them back for eat this.
Break.
Who bright? Are you bright?
Break. You're too ugly. Cool, ugly. That Jeremy. Stop them me. Jeremy. Stop me.
What are we you just a name Arin?
Nam. Tita already.
What?
Oh. Nam. Tita is already. Nam. Tita. One.
Are you come out, man? You're going strong.
Yeah, man. What me I do for the other day?
Oh, yeah, it's for 2 days. You go see?
No, other day.
More
Other
left.
day, that me say.
More left.
Alright, up there. Awa. Awa. Awa.
And we're finished. We eat off all the eggs. So, thank you guys. I'll Aisha Batia eat egg. How do that man drop him a senior? Who belch?
You.
Aisha. Aisha, take a little mark and put them out of the video. Guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed some parts of it, if not all. Remember to give this video a thumbs up, like, share, comment, and subscribe. And we're out. Oh, say bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.
And we're out. Bye. I did promise that as soon as I have time, once you have subscribed to my channel and you comment, then I will auto subscribe back to each and everybody's channel once you have a channel. So you will see a little bit of that in this video too.